going to name first floor working view electrical.
Gotcha.
Okay, so in this vision we can mess everything that we want to mess. So quickly let's put some lighting fixtures and a panel. So you have to go to systems. All
Mhm.
right, lighting fixture.
Let me
Okay,
try that one.
remember to use the tool of mirroring so you can speed up the process. Okay, now select all of those. All right, mirror. You can draw an axis or pick line an axis. Okay, that's the center line of the wall. Okay, but Revit told you uh, these are not.
Yeah.
So check the prop. Okay, so you can do the following thing as we made a mirror. There is this distance, and it's going to replicate this distance. Maybe we can move like one block or two blocks close to this wall. They make the mirror. So by doing that, all the elements are going to be inside the room. Type
Okay.
MB. No, select the elements, then type MB as in move. Now select an finishing point.
Like here.
Another block, one more block. Perfect. Okay, now we can do the mirror.
With up to, right?
Yes, we're going to pick the axis. Click. Okay.
Here we go.
Yes. Now we have to review this. We check here in the properties that they are on the first floor. The host is the linked Revit file. So these lighting fixtures are attached to the ceiling of the linked Revit model. So everything is good. So now we do the same here. Here we put some lights here and here.
Can I copy that one and put in here?
I am not a big fan of copy because, as we saw the other day, you will
Mhm.
lose the host. But give it a try. Copy
Okay.
and copy. Check the host has to be the same. Now check those elements. Okay, okay. The offset is good. Everything seems good. Now okay.
I wanna add a little more here, right?
Sure, sure. Do it. Copy.
Like a lot, but
A lot of lights.
let's see. Yeah. No, that's not
Okay,
gonna work for sure.
here is you can see that this Revit is telling you the instance of origins does not lie on a host face, and specifically it's talking about this lighting fixture. So everything is good except this one. So I think we can keep this and erase. Even I'll suggest this too because this is in the middle of the wall. But we check the host is okay. Okay, so now let's put it these files because we are going to work with filters.
Sure. You wanna add more here
Yes, yes,
in
put
this space?
yes. Every room has to have lighting features. Okay. Now you can make. Okay, that's perfect. You can make a mirror if you want. Try
Here,
to
right?
use the yes. Try to use the shortcuts. See, you can press MM.
Mm, MM.
Yes, you will see in that. It will tell you which are the shortcuts. Okay, that's
Gotcha.
good.
And here I could say, okay, this. Mm, what is that here?
Oh, let's check. I think it's a entrance.
Okay.
Okay. Now let's put.
And this, that's sorry, that's a good question. How Raven know? I mean, because here is no ceiling or is ceiling. When you see that, what do you think? What is the first that you think?
We can do now, as we are in map. We can do the following thing. We can type CS. We can create a similar uh, lighting fixture and try to put it here. This family will read if there is a ceiling.
A ceiling. Oh, nice.
If there is a ceiling, we will be able to put a lighting fixture. But there
To
is
place
not.
there.
Yes. Okay, try to put it. Create similar. Oh,
Even
you,
here.
you have to
Ah,
click here.
yeah.
Okay, yes. There is a ceiling.
And here too.
Yes. Let's try to put another type of lighting feature here and put this some lights here.
Okay, let me place here first. Uh, let's place that one.
Okay, here you will see that I can I wanted to show you this new command that is array. The array command is going to create the same elements in an as it was in a matrix. Can you see the video that is displaying?
Mm-hmm.
That is how it works.
Yeah.
You define how many times you want to copy the same element. So I'm going to click and I have these options. Revit is asking me that the new elements are going to be group and associated. When I select them, it's going to select. For example, if I make 5, when I select one, it's going to select the 5 of the lighting fixtures. So I don't wanna. Let's keep this on so you can see what I mean by that. Let's put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's put 5 of these lighting fixtures. Here, Revit will want to know where my reference is going to be. If this option is on the second, I have to specify where the second lighting feature is going to be, and Revit
Mm-hmm.
automatically will take that distance and replicate it.
Gotcha.
Also, I can select last. It's the same. I can specify where I want the last lighting feature. Revit is going to take this distance and divide it between the remaining lighting fixtures. And constrain, it will constrain my selection. Now I can select any angle I want, but when this option is on, I can select only in X and Y axis. So let's
Oh,
practice. I'm going to pick the last. I select this one where I want to be my last one, and here I will see this number that is going to ask me this question again. How many do you want? Do you want 5? I wanted 5, but I want 6 now. Okay, now I have 6.
hmm.
But I see that you see that this is a model group. It's not that individual lighting fixture like this one. Revit
Okay.
automatically created a group of all these lighting fixtures, which I don't want to be grouped because it doesn't. It's confusing because these are lighting fixtures. Now Revit sees them as group. So I am going to ungroup it. I'm going to delete them. So I would like you to do the same.
Gotcha.
Alright, with both options. With the last that I just made and the second.
The second.
Yes,
Okay. Okay. So
you can press AR or here. Here's the array option.
uh, AR, right? AR. Nice. Let's see. Starting here. Let's see. We're gonna create. Let's see. 8.
Eighth.
See, we have the space. Um.
You have to select which is going to be the reference initial point. Eight.
And here we can say, for example, 12.
Yes.
But
And
we
it's going to
cannot
say
do that.
tell you the same thing. There are ones that are going to be in the middle of the wall. So one more time, type AR and
But now we wanna
yes,
uncheck this,
uncheck
right?
that. You, you put as many as you want. Let's say last and define an initial point. Okay. Okay, now when you
That's
select
beautiful.
them, you will see that they
Bingo.
recognize the lighting fixture is not a group.
Uh-huh.
So that is why I don't like to group, because uh, it's confusing. Okay, now let's put some lights. I'm going to select some of these lights. Okay, and now do the same here in order to cover this corridor too.
Sure. Okay, I could say, wait, one, two,
I think five will be good enough.
five, right? Five, and the last, let's see, that one. Here we
Okay,
go.
that's perfect. Okay, now some lighting fixtures in that remaining room.
Okay, let's finish in that one. What do you think that one? Do you want one here?
Yes, try to look at lighting fixture that uh,
Fits
it
in
will
here.
fit here. System.
I could say, yeah, let's say, um,
Okay, so try to place on face. Try to look for an spotlight,
what is that?
and let me check here if you have spot. No, only we have this. Okay, put that light. Okay, now
Let me one here too. Let's say one here too. Here we go.
okay, and we gotta put some lights here.
Mm-hmm. Okay, let me finish that. Um,
Okay, place on face. Okay, use an array to practice, because array is more perfect.
I could say four. Um,
Okay.
Beautiful.
Yes, I will suggest to eliminate some lights, because I don't know if we're going to
It's a
have a
lot.
problem. Yes, because it's a lot, because Rob is going to Say, hey man, this is a school, not a stadium.
Yeah,
Okay, that's good.
like here, here.
Perfect.
You could say that one too.
Yes. Okay,
Um,
they look good. Maybe in the corridor. Oh, sorry.
let me add one more here. Where?
In the corridor, maybe we can eliminate some lights.
That one here?
Yes, the ones that go in the middle. Perfect. Okay, that is good. Okay, that looks good. Maybe here, this one.
Yeah, right.
Yes.
And I think that one's too, right?
Yes, yes, I will say so. Okay, because we're going to work with circuits and filters, and that's going to be.
Too
It will be
much.
easy to see this.
We can move that one. Yeah, because we have here like a windows. So
Yes, yes. Okay,
what do you think?
okay. Now it's perfect. Okay, now let's put some panels. Go to electrical equipment. We have to put panels and switches.
Sure.
Verify
Oh,
that you're working with these lighting fixtures. It's 120V, and this panel it's 2 and 8V. Let's check.
that one's 120, right? Yeah.
Yes, put a compatible panel. You will see. Oh, yes.
Where?
Okay, that seems a good panel. The one here. So let's put it here. Place on face. Oh crap! I am not able to see this panel. Why do you think is that?
The visual graphic.
Not the view range, because we are in an RCP, and maybe the cut plane it's bigger. Okay,
Okay,
so
let me.
we can also work here with the elevation from level. Let's put 6 feet. Oh no, I'm not able to see it. We can also create. No, let's work with in the same. Let's put an panel, and we will adjust our view range of this RCP so we can see the panels. Okay, I'm gonna place in vertical face here, here. Well, Revit is telling me you can see it. Work with the view range. The cut plane is going to be 4. Let's see. Okay,
Here we go.
the cut plane. This is where it's going to cut. My panel is like this furniture. I had to put it
Mm-hmm.
in a range where it can be cutted.
Got it.
I put four feet from the first floor.
I saw that like when we put the section view and we have to move the range view,
Yes,
something like that, right? Like you can cache. where
Yeah.
the the
Yes.
panel are.
Yes. Yes. Okay. Now we have these panels. I would like to play some rooms so we can see which area is which. So go to analyze, select space. Okay, now we are going to name the space. Okay, select it. This is going to be space 1. We're going to name them later. Space 2.
Gotcha.
Okay, the space. Okay, put a space name.
That's a big one, right?
Yes, it's gonna be one space, the whole corridor. Okay, that's gonna be the we have this dining room. Oh yeah, okay. So we can also use this option. Can you see this option of place spaces automatically?
Oh wow, yeah.
Oh, it's the same. Sorry. Select that. You will see that Revit. Okay, 10 spaces have been created automatically, but some of these spaces are not. It's like this one. You know, this is a shaft, so it doesn't make sense to have a shaft. Ah, see here. I just deleted the space tag, and Revit is telling me you just deleted the space tag, but the corresponding space still exists. You can place another tag for the space using the space tag tool. Okay, I select here, and this is the space. So you gotta be careful with that. One thing is the space itself, and another thing is the tag.
Gotcha.
Okay, so we're going to um, space tag. I'm going to raise it. It's going to tell me the same. I'm going to raise this. Um, okay, here in this shaft, I'm going to erase all of these spaces because I wanted to show the. Oh crap! I'm just going to select. I'm going to use my filters. It's kind of tricky to select all these elements, so I'm going to select my filters. I'm going to select space tags and spaces. Hit apply, hit OK, and I want them gone. We still have one space. Okay, here the same filter. Crap. Space tags and spaces. Hit apply, hit OK. Okay, I deleted my space. Okay, filter, space tags and spaces. Okay, and I want them gone. Okay, Revit keeps telling me this, but I also when I use the filter, I make sure that I also was selecting the spaces.
The space too. Okay.
Yes, that's why I love filters. I want to raise space tags and spaces. Okay. Okay, yes, yes. Shut up, Revit. Okay. Now here. Okay. Okay, so uh, I would like to name this space. I'm going to. I want to name each one of these areas. so I can see which room is what. So I'm going to select the space. Here in the name space, I'm going to change. That's going to be what is the uh, give me a
Room.
second. No, no, no. What is the aula in English? How can you say that? Classroom. Yeah. Can you type classroom number one in name? Classroom number one. And then, okay, hit apply. Okay, you see that the tag automatically reads the information of the space.
Yeah.
The space, it's like an analytical element that reads the walls and reads, well, this whole space. So we're going to put just name classroom, and let's select.
Wait, give me a moment.
Okay, sure.
Give me a moment, Sergio. I don't know what this guy is doing here. You
Okay,
know.
okay.
I think they're doing maintenance or something here.
Okay, don't worry.
Uh-huh.
Okay,
If I unmute this because it's a lot of noise. Okay.
okay.
Uh,
Okay, so we're going to select the different spaces, and we're going to give them a new name. I am selecting only the ones that are going to be classrooms. And here
okay.
I have 6 spaces. I'm going to baptize them as classroom. Okay.
Beautiful.
Okay, beautiful. So this is going to be the corridor. Corridor. This is going to be corridor one. This, oh, where is the space? This is going to be the corridor. Oh crap, corridor. It has to be only corridor. This is going to be the corridor one. Okay, I can corridor one. Revit tells me, hey man, you're using the same number. I will get in trouble. Corridor, okay. Oh crap. This is the two. This is going to be the corridor two. Corridor two. Okay. What the hell is going on? Corridor, corridor. Oh, it's okay. Corridor, corridor.
It's
Okay.
different, right? I don't know why it's saying the same.
Can you say that again?
Yeah, yeah. Okay. It was different tag, but Revit is telling it's the same number or something like that.
Yes. Duplicate number values. Oh, okay. This is the right. Okay. The number cannot be the same. So that's what Revit is telling me. So I'm gonna keep the number, and this is going to be the dining room. Okay. I'm not going to modify the um, the numbers. This is going to be the kitchen. Hit
And we
apply.
can move the tags and the names, right?
Yes.
To don't be on the lighting features and all of that.
Yes, we can select here in VG. Mm, mm, can you type BG,
Sure.
and here in annotation, spaces, space tags. If we turn off this option, we will see only the spaces, but not the space tags. Okay, so we got to view. I'm going. Oh crap! I'm going to
Active again.
active. Crap, crap. All are going to be active. Okay. Yeah, yeah. So why did I do that? Because it's going to be very easy to identify each circuit. Okay, because we want
Gotcha.
to create a panel, and each panel is going to manage certain certain classrooms or dining rooms or kitchen. So we have to put some switch. Can you put some switch? Dot
Sure.
system
Um, System
switch three way. That's okay.
vertical. I
Vertical
gotcha.
face. Okay. Okay. Can
Uh,
you see there is a different annotation, right? Because you cannot see the lighting fixture, but you see a symbol of
mm-hmm.
place it. Make it click. Okay. Hit escape. That's because we are checking this in an fine detail. In this fine, I mean in this course, you will see only the annotation symbols. But if you click in fine, you will see your lighting fixture. I mean your switch.
Exactly. What is
Yes.
the how is calling that option there?
You can put your mouse here and you will see the detail level.
Okay, detail.
In fine, you will see the elements drawing as they are. Medium, you will see the annotation. And coarse, you will see only lines. In medium, you will see that this is the symbol of a door.
Yeah, yeah.
In coarse, it's just lines. But in fine, yeah, you see that
That's the
the
best one.
yes, that's the best one. Okay, so now we have to put some switches.
Gotcha.
Put one
Um,
switch per room. Very similar.
let's put other here just in case. Another here. Here we go.
Okay, now we have
Ah,
ready
wait,
for
wait.
the dining
Uh,
room. Yes. Okay.
here, let's see here. Too.
Okay,
It's a
that's
lot doors here.
okay. That's perfect. Okay, now we have we have we have everything. Now we are here. This is our working view, and this is going to be the official view. You know, this view has to be always clean. We can make mistakes here. We can make annotations. We can be uh,
Whatever, yeah.
yes, yes. We can work here, but it has to be impeccable view. So uh, here, let's work here, and let's make the circuits. Yes, let's work here because we're going to make a mess. Now hit VG and make disappear the rooms and the room tags. Rooms.
The rooms and room
No,
tabs.
spaces. I mean spaces.
Sorry. Spaces.
And go to annotation categories
Okay.
because it's a tag. We don't want to see the space tag. I think it's up, up. Space tags. Yes. Click it. Now
Okay, let me take a note of that. In annotation,
sure.
um, in annotation, so we can uncheck space tag and model we can say safety apply and here.
Okay.
Now,
Now let's
what is that, sorry?
what what is that? What is a C? I think it's a lighting fixture. Oh, we are in. Can you select it? What the hell is this? Okay, maybe
A
it's
color,
painted.
maybe? Is that color? It's a phantom.
I don't know what this is. It's also on this view. No. Oh crap. I don't know. Let's check. Can you type
That's weird.
VG?
Sure.
Okay. Now I'm going to. Oh crap. Do the same again. I'm going to hit hide the spaces and the space tags. Space tags. Okay. What is this? I'm going to. No, it's not a switch.
Maybe it's the Revit. I don't know.
Yeah, I'm going to take a. I'm going to take a picture to know what this is.
This Revit is possessed.
Yes, yes. Okay, okay. We will review it later. I don't know what this is. Okay.
Yeah, yeah. I mean,
Now let's
it's
put
not
the
big deal.
panels. Okay. Okay, now let's make the distribution. This panel is going to manage these two rooms, and this panel is going to manage these two rooms. I'm going to create a panel that is going to manage this, the lights of the corridor,
Corridor.
and these
Okay.
two rooms. And here I'm going to create a panel that's going to manage the kitchen, the dining room, and these two classrooms. So, but first, let's name this. I'm going to
General
yes, I'm going to panel naming. Where is it?
is up in general. Yeah.
Yes, panel A. Panel. Oh crap. Panel A is going to be the panel B. Panel. Crap. Panel B. Hit apply. Okay. Now this both of these lights. I'm going to hit power. Which panel do you want to choose? I want the panel A.
A. Exactly.
And it's already. It's like it's suggesting me the circuits. So I'm going to type yes. Made a circuit. Okay. When I hit TG tag is going to create automatically a tag that is going to read my circuit. This is the circuit number
Which
one.
what is a command again? What is the command?
TG as in tag, T
Okay.
and G.
When you press it, I mean, when you after the circuit, after the light fixture circuit, you press TG or
Yes. Let's do it again because repetition is key. Okay. Now connect these two rooms to this panel.
okay. So here,
Now you are selecting only one lighting fixture.
I need to select all of them, right?
Yes, all of them. Circuits, electrical circuits. Okay, they are connected to the panel A, and okay, panel A. We're going to here to modify. We hit tab. When we select tab, when we how do I see these circuits? I select first my lighting fixture, press tab. I mean, I put my mouse over the lighting fixture, press tab, and I will see the suggestion of the circuit.
Mm-hmm.
I click, then I will be able to select the arc wire.
Okay.
Okay. Now, do the same for these two classrooms.
We're gonna join to this one, right?
Yes, yes,
Okay. So we're gonna select all of this, and all of this.
yes.
We're
Power,
gonna power.
panel
We're gonna
B.
be an automatic here, right?
Yes. You can modify that home run. Okay, that's perfect.
And then here is TG. Oh, here we go.
TG. Okay. So this tag will sometimes you will want to know what this tag is reading because tags are automatically. So make click. We're going to see what this is the same as here. You see it's showing one. I'm going to tag and it's one. I will. This might be confusing because they're both circuits number one,
Yeah.
but this is the circuit number one of this panel, and this is the circuit number one of this panel.
Mm, they don't have any other annotation way, like to see clearly which is that one.
Well, we
Bro,
can.
it's getting cool here.
Don't worry. You can specify.
Oh yeah.
I hit again TG and it's reading the panel name. This is panel A and this is panel B. You see, and it's more easy to understand.
How you can change the size of this letter?
The size.
Hmm.
Well, you can select here. You can go to edit family. You have to go here to edit type. Oh no. Yes, you have to modify the family. If you
Okay,
want,
don't worry.
if
We
I
can do
want
whatever.
to, yes, if I want to modify this, I have to edit the family. It's going to open that tag family, and I have to go here, and here I can see the line
That
weight,
size.
background, the
Yeah.
color. Let's put it in blue, and let's type the text fonts because pick one that you like.
Um, Arial Black. Let's say Arial Black.
Okay, pick Arial Black.
Let's see.
Agency. Hit apply. Hit OK. Now load it into the project. No. Don't save it because you're going to modify your family tags.
So no,
You
right?
you can save it with another name, but don't overwrite it.
Okay. So let me place no, right?
No, it's going to just upload it to the project, but it's not going to save it. You will have this tag, but it's going to be on your project. Okay, overriding the existing version and its parameter values. Always pick parameter values. You see?
Okay. Uh huh.
Okay. Now we have panels. Okay. Now do the same exercise here. Put a panel here. Two panels. One that is going to manage. Put just one panel that is going to manage the corridor lights and these two rooms. And here we're going to put another panel that's going to manage the dining room, this classroom, and the kitchen.
Okay, again, only one here from the corridor and two here's.
No, only one here. Put one here. That this panel is going to manage the corridor and these two classrooms.
Here we go. Let's do this sister. Okay. So we're gonna call this one. I know. See.
Apply. Okay, that's panel C.
And we hit here.
Oh, perfect. You're learning to identify. Okay, that's perfect. 246. Power, panel C. Arc wire. Okay.
But anyway, we can put it here.
Yes.
That doesn't have to be too. Yeah, here is okay. And that one too, right? You wanna
Yes,
join this one?
yes, yes. You can do the following thing because it's going to make only a circuit for this. But what about if we want to put it in this circuit? Because one
Okay.
breaker is going to manage the whole corridor and the room. You select you select your circuit and edit it.
Okay. Which is here, right?
You gotta press tab. This is tricky. Let me show you.
Got it.
We hit tab.
Oh,
No, no, no. Ah, you see? I am putting my mouse over this wire. I hit tab. It selects the whole circuit. I hit tab again. Now it selects the diagram of the circuit. This is where I want to make the modifying. I select and I click edit circuit, and then I can add this lighting to my circuit. Revit is going to tell me how to select elements that are already or part of other circuit.
really?
Yes, because when you click select panel, it created a circuit between this panel and this light.
Oh, wow.
But if I want finish connection, it's going to take this light from that circuit and it's going to put it in this new circuit.
Okay, it's gonna relocate.
Yes. Okay, I tell them, okay, you see power system 2, it's empty and will be deleted. Okay. So I wanna verify. I select this arc wire. Ah, you saw that?
Gotcha.
Okay, so here I'm going to erase this home run. Okay. Now create a circuit for this classroom and for this one.
Where you gonna place here in this room?
No,
Or here
yeah,
too?
yes,
We can
yes,
place.
yes, yes. Do it that way. Put one panel here that's going to manage these two classrooms, and we're going to create one here that's going to manage these two classrooms. I mean, this classroom, the kitchen, and the dining room.
Copy. So no, 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 no.
If you want to check if an lighting fixture it's on a circuit, you can check the properties.
Yeah, but I put in the. Like, give me a moment. Um, how can I did the panel?
The panel. What do you mean the
Yeah,
panel?
because I put in a panel C by mistake. I put in here.
Okay, we can do the following thing. We select a panel. We want to see the schedule of a panel. I don't know if you have. Uh, something. Have you ever managed the breaker panel in your house?
Uh huh. Yeah.
Okay, you will see that usually they put a paper next to the panel that it tells this breaker manage the kitchen, this breaker manage the bathrooms. So it's the same here. Let me show you. We can create that piece of paper here. We select the panel and we will go to create panel schedules.
Yeah, yeah.
We're going to use a default template, and I have here all the circuits that this panel is managing. I'm going to split the view so we can check it. Tile views. Okay. Okay, so that's awesome. So if I select here, I can see that this is the circuit, and I can see the loads that this panel is managing, A, B, and C, and I see here the circuit number 2. So the circuit number 1, can you hear me? Hello? Oh crap, I don't have internet. Oh crap, crap, crap. What is the word? When
It's
trueno?
kind of blackout maybe, but it's not.
No, it was like a mini blackout that only lasted like 10
Yeah,
seconds.
I saw like all the start to do like that, and then it's frozen.
Okay. So as I was telling you, you can see here the different circuits that we have here. So you we can see here when we place the uh, that you put this.
Circuit, yeah, by mistake.
Yes. Okay. So
But when you if you press on the panel schedule, they show you on the floor plan.
yes, yes, that is the good thing about Revit because you can see you can see more clearly where the sequence are and what components these breakers manage. So I will suggest. So the problem is what is that we assign all these lighting fixtures to that panel. So I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna click tab. Oh crap! Select tab, tab. Okay, it's not letting me. I select tab. I can change just here. Where is is the panel D, right?
Yeah, it's the D. Uh huh.
Okay. I would like to be more specific with. Let's create different circuits so you can check. I'm going to make the arc wire, and I'm going to make a. I'm going to edit the circuit, and I would like to do the same. I would like to remove these lighting fixtures. I'm going to create 3 circuits for this panel. This panel is going to manage the corridor, the classroom number 4 and number 5, but they're going to be different circuits. I'm going to hit apply. Okay. Now I have to rate. This is the bad thing when you create a circuit, because this is a circuit, but the wire keeps showing me that this is a whole circuit, right? I don't want to do that because it's not showing the reality. I'm going to erase all my wires. Hit apply, hit OK, and I'm going to erase them. I'm going to do the same here. I select all of my lighting fixtures. I go to power, power C, yes, and arc wire. and this is managing the same panel. Okay, and you will see. Okay, so make we will make another circuit for this one. I'm going to erase this one just for a moment.
Okay. Only for this light here.
Yes, yes, because I want you to see the circuits and how they are displayed on the panel.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm going to. Okay, it's not responding. Okay, okay, I'm going to delete this panel. Crap. Okay, power. I'm going to select the C panel. Okay. Now, as you can see here, the circuits have been appearing in my circuit description. This is kind of confusing because I don't like to put in an intercalated way. One, two, three, four. Yes, I would like to see a correlative one. How can I do that? I'm going to manage. I'm going to edit the family of my panel. Uh, where is edit family? Here I can see that I am in the family of my panel, and I can see the properties of my panel. Let's see it more. Okay, here in the properties, I tell Revit I don't want to see in these two columns. I want to see one column. Hit apply, and I'm going to load this into my project. You want to overwrite? Of course, I want to overwrite. And let's go to my schedule, and you will see that I have this. This is more Christian. It's more easy and beautiful to see. I'm going to close my panel. I don't want to modify. Okay, I'm going to divide the view one more time so we can see it. Okay, okay, where is it? Style views. Okay, so I have here all my circuits. So this panel is showing me all the circuits that is managing, and as we saw, we can see the different rooms that is managing, and I can also name them.
Got it.
That this is going to be the corridor 1, room 7 and 4, then the classroom 14, the room 14, and also here, this is important, we can see that each one of these circuits is taking some amount of energy from a specific phase, and I want to reload. I want to distribute the charge, the loads.
Wow, you can do that too?
Yes, and it's very easy. Look, I just can go to rebalance loads, and Revit
No way.
will make an approximation.
Yeah.
I hit rebalance loads again, and it's going to be more specific. So by doing that, yeah, it's very easy. That's why I love Revit. I can make the balance, and I can see here, and it's like, what is the word? It's here. It's like I don't know. Resumen. What is the word?
Like a summary, you
Yeah,
can
yeah.
say
It's a
summary.
summary of all the circuits.
Yeah.
I
I think they show you if coming from, I don't know, like air conditioners, lighting,
yes,
outlets.
yes, energy, and we are just making the lighting, and here it's by classification. It's only going to show me lighting,
Lighting, yeah.
and here I have a total of the panel. So that's why it's important to make the circuits by room, because you will have more freedom to make the proper distribution of the loads. So now you do it. You do it. You put a panel here that is going to manage three circuits: one for the dining room, one for this classroom, and one for this kitchen. That's gonna be the panel D.
Que estaba bárbaro.
Panel D. Okay. Arc wire. That's awesome. Okay, that's good. It's already connected.
I want to add these both lighted fixtures too, or maybe one to
Okay,
that.
so you go to edit circuit, add to circuit, and you can select one. Okay, select.
Let's put only that one. Here we go.
Power, panel D, and the arc wire.
I'm not pretty sure if that one is connect with the circuit.
Okay, you can verify by doing this. Always check the properties. You select this item, and you can see that it's already connected to the panel, and in this panel, it's connected to the circuit number 1.
Okay, so
What
it's
we can
okay,
do,
right?
you see, if I want to see if this element is connected, I put my mouse over the lighting fixture and I hit tab. I hit tab
Even
and I can click wire,
oh,
and it's already wired.
nice.
Okay, but I see here that you gotta be careful with that command because this is one circuit, right? But it has two home runs. So I can just erase this one. Let's see that I didn't put twice the number of. Okay, no, it's good. Okay, so this is the good symbol that it means that this whole circuit is managed by this panel. The same here and the same here. We're going to move it a little bit further. Okay. Now let's stack our panels. Panel D, panel C. So this is a good view of all the circuits in the lighting. So I think we can duplicate this view and save this view as ceiling plan, first floor, first floor. This is going to be lighting circuits. Okay, yes, I want to save the project. Oh crap, where is it? I uh, I want to duplicate with detailing. Now I have an exact copy of my working view. I'm going to rename it first floor lighting circuits. Okay, okay. Now this is a good view. I would like to keep it that way because it's going to be on my sheets. I'm going to close it. Now I am in my working view. So now lighting circuits. Um, Now let's connect the lighting fixtures with the switch. Well, I think I close it.
What's out there?
I think I close it.
That we save, right?
Yes, I hope so. Go go. No no no. It's open. It's you can see here in the name that we are
Oh, nice.
okay. So we have a we just created floor plan that shows all the circuits. Now let's create a one that it shows the switch. You understand?
Exactly. One a view when only we can see the switch, right?
Yes, the switches. So this is a
So
working view.
let's duplicate this one.
Yes, you do it. Duplicate it.
Um, and let's call in switch lighting switch.
Okay.
And we start to what we're gonna hide here is,
We
or we can do from here, right? Copy
yes.
here, ish.
Be careful because I don't know if when you erase an wire, you erase it from the whole project. I don't know if this is an annotation that you can just eliminate it. Is going to affect only this view.
And
So
hiding. I only hiding that.
okay. Yes yes. Let's do it that way. Hide.
Can I hide? Okay, so let me check if I can do this. And EH. Got it? Perfect.
Okay.
So let's gonna say
Edit switch system. Don't fall for select the switch. No, that option doesn't work.
yeah.
Okay, and select switch. Okay.
Can I add both? This one and this one?
No, Revit doesn't allow to make that. There is a trick to have a double connection, but I can't remember. I will review it. Okay, now hit tab. Switch system. Go to switch system. Okay, okay. So we can see. Okay, here. So we see here. Give me a control, please. Okay, tap tap tap. Okay. So in this, we can create a tag that is going to show here when I create a tag for this switch. It doesn't show me nothing because I have to fulfill this switch ID. Uh, I'm going to name this switch ID as class room 1. Hit apply. Now it reads. I can also tag this. Let's
Live picture.
Yes, this lighting fixture. What? Let's see what this lighting fixture is reading. I can go here to edit label. Edit label. I here I can see all the information that this tag will be reading. So now it's reading the circuit number, but let's see that I want to add more information. Let's add the switch ID and the panel. So let's I'm going to put the panel in the first order, then it will show me the circuit number and the switch ID. I'll hit apply, hit OK. This is an like a demo. Those are big letters, so I'm going to, oh crap, I'm going to put a more a font that is going to be smaller. Text size. Oh crap! What is lesser than 32 0.9 0.8? Okay, let's see. Oh crap! No 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 no. Okay, let's give it a try. I'm not really good with fractions. I have to confess. Override the existing
Me too,
version.
Lord.
Okay, so you see that my tag now it tells me the panel, the circuit number, and the switch ID.
That's beautiful.
Yes, but let's check the information. Panel circuit number, family name. Let's suppose that we want to see the model too. No, model number no. What information do you think is important regarding switch and
Um,
lighting fixtures?
well, if we're talking about electrical,
Yes, electrical.
yeah, I think the panel and circuits should be enough.
Yeah.
Because
Okay.
what else? Fuck, I don't know. I mean, if any like technical information, like how is the voltage or something like that, maybe can we find
Okay.
something there?
Luminous locks, panel ID,
I
switch
really
ID,
like efficiency. Say,
voltage, voltage loss. No. Efficiency. Where?
yeah, the efficacy. I don't know efficacy. If how that pronounce that efficacy,
Efficacy.
efficacy. Yeah.
Okay, let's see how it works. Let's load it into the project. Yes, I want to. Okay. So we see that this lighting fixture is on the panel A, secret number 1, class of the classroom number 1. This is the efficacy. Okay, so panel A, let's hit tab, tab, tab. No, okay. We can create some tags. Let's suppose that we are here and we are going to select all of these elements. I'm going to apply my filter because I only want the light. I only want the lighting fixtures, the switch, edit switch system. I want to select this switch. Hit finish. Okay, so it seems. Let's see if this. Yeah. Okay. I have to put the switch information here. So this is going to be the classroom 2 switch ID.
Classroom 2.
Classroom, but it's going to be the classroom 2. Crap. Classroom. Oh, can you type the name classroom 2?
Yeah.
Classroom 2. Okay, that's perfect. Hit apply. You see that information it automatically displays, right? But okay, now
Yeah.
since we are creating the this this floor plan that is going to show all the switches, I want to see the information of the rooms. So I want to see the room tags. Okay, the room tags are enabled, but I cannot see the rooms. Maybe can you show the rooms? Okay, maybe it's
It's
here.
showing here now.
Yeah, it's so. What do you think is going on?
Annotate. Yeah. Analytical here.
No, no, no. Uh, both of them rooms. Oh, I mean space tax. Oh, what a dumb space tax. Space tax. Oh, I can't
Here we
see
go.
space tax. The space tax and spaces. We want to see spaces. Okay. So this view we are going to show only the switches and the how they are connected. So I do the same here. I can select. I will apply my filter. I want to select only lighting fixtures. Hit apply. Hit OK. Switch. Edit switch system. Select the switch. This switch is going to be the one who is going to manage this. But I have to baptize this switch. So this is classroom number 13. Class. You have to be very organized with the names. I put a mistake here. Classroom room 13. Now I'm going to tag classroom 13, and I will tag my lighting devices. So you get the idea of how to make the tags, right? We made this this view that is showing how the panels are, how the lighting features are connected into the panels. And this one oh crap, where is it, shows the switches. Right, we can continue, but it's gonna be the same exercise over and over again till it gets boring. I wanted to show you the why it's important to have different circuits. Let's go back to the panel D so you can check the, so we can review the load balance. I can go. Do you remember how to open the panel schedule?
Yeah, let me do it here. So we hit here and panel schedule here, right?
Yes, yes. It's going to open. Okay.
And if we have this view here, for example, yeah, we're gonna see. That's beautiful, bro. Really.
Yes, that's really helpful. We were next. We are going to see to add to this panel some power circuits. So we'll see how the this table, this summary works here.
It's getting other value, other
Yes,
information.
yes, yeah. That's very interesting. Also, that's very helpful. But okay, it's. I think it's 1 p.m. Let's have a lunch.
Gotcha.
Okay, what time do you want to connect again?
I can say we can start two if you want, and we can do I don't know 2 hours more until I prefer if we can check and sprinkle on this. I don't know if you want
Yes, yes, we can
to
check
to
sprinkler.
cover a little more. We can invest like a 2 hours there, and then fuck, this guy is gonna
It's gonna break the ceiling. Okay, don't
yeah,
worry.
it's gonna break.
Let's do it that
Yeah,
way. So we will connect at two. We will finish with the energy, so you can see how the panel works, and we will jump
got it.
back to sprinkler. That it's almost the same. Yes, it's the same.
Gotcha.
It's the same, really.
Is the same? Gotcha. Perfect. So let's do it. Got it.
Okay, William. See you at two.
Got it. Got it. Thanks.
Bye bye.